Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Laes stock. You can see as of Friday this one was actually green. We saw a 4.87% green day, a very nice trend overall. Let's have a speak about this. Let's look at what we could be seeing into the next week over the course of this video. If it sounds good, if you do enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. At the same time, remember I am not a financial advisor. Now, notable things that we saw into last week. Well, as of Monday, it looks like we found a level of relatively strong support. Numbers such as $6, $5.95 are holding up very nicely. Again, above that into the Thursday, the Friday session, we saw numbers such as $6.15 also holding up just above that level, so this is very interesting. Now, the good news is we saw a break slightly above on Friday, as I say. We broke into numbers such as $7.25, but we weren't able to hold that very long. We did see a brief downtrend, and that took us all the way to the 690 range, where we have seen resistance in the past. So going into next week, 690, level to watch out for, resistance here and here. And of course into the late part of Friday. Now the good news is supports are also relatively close. We have seen historical supports right around the 670, 668 range. This appears to be what we are seeing holding on Friday. If we do see a drop below this, you are looking at numbers such as 645 potentially. You are looking at numbers such as 625. You're looking at numbers such as 610. So these all could come into play next week, but ideally we are going to see a break out of the upper range of this. Again, consolidation is working well on the late part of Friday. It's nice to see a green day, and again, if we do see a break into next week to the upside, I'm looking at 735, I am looking at 750, 755, I'm looking at numbers such as 775 for potential moves upwards. But really, this tight channel to the low end is what I'm paying the most attention to. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts and opinions on this in the comments. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Again, do drop me a comment, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.